guys, it's Karen. This is the day in the life as an SIR student. So every day at 9 o'clock, I arrive at the CLSL building to go meet with my team. And this is my outfit of the day. I have my long pants and closed-toed shoes for lab safety. And I always bring a sweatshirt because the student office is freezing. So I'm going to the 5th floor where the laboratory and the office is. This is the research group I'm part of, and here is my desk in the student office. Here I keep my goggles, a pen, and my notebook. So first thing I do is I get situated at my desk and put my stuff down. And I put on my goggles before I head into the lab. Saying hi to my mentor, Emma, and let's get suited up. So we're running a reaction connected to the Schlenk lines right now, so it needs to be evacuated, so Emma's topping off the cold trap so that none of the solvents gets into the vacuum. And this part's kind of scary, so I don't like to do it. So the procedure calls for a solid state reaction in a hot sand bath, so that's what the setup is looking like right now with a thermometer. So we're checking the temperature because it needs to get to 190 degrees Celsius. So the two reactants involved are called sodium hexafluoroacetylacetone and the other one's palladium salt. And it appears brownish orange. While we wait, I'm going to clean the beaker using hydrochloric acid, ethanol, acetone, and hexanes. So first I wipe down the neck of the beaker with hexanes, and then first I pour in hydrochloric acid and then pour it out into a waste bucket in the back of the hood that you can see, and then I use ethanol and then acetone and then finally hexanes. And the solvent wash is in the order of most polar to least polar, so then it takes turn breaking down all the chemicals that have been in the beaker. Wash hand. This is my hood with all the safety procedures on it. Back at the student office, this is my lab notebook. This is the reaction we're trying to carry out, and here are all the procedures that I've written down in the past few days. And I'm writing down more of what I've been doing to keep track. Got my Celsius. So I'm working on my 5th primary resource analysis right now, so I'm going to talk briefly about what my research is. So the professor I'm working under created a metal ligand compound called palladium hexafluoroacetylacetone. However, the procedure he wrote for this metal ligand was published in the 1970s. So my research project is to test the reproducibility of the procedure. All of the reactions of this experiment needs to be carried out in absence of the atmosphere, which is why it is connected to the Schlenk lines, and the other steps are done in the glove box, which I might be able to show later. So in order to truly test the reproducibility of this procedure, both me and my mentor will be carrying out this reaction multiple times. Back to what I'm doing in this video, I am doing primary resource analysis of an article that my professor sent me. I am to read it, analyze it, write down any vocab I don't know, and summarize the different aspects of the scientific journal. It is now 12, so it is my lunch break. Let's go back downstairs and off we go to lunch. I love walking from here to lunch because it's so beautiful and the weather is so nice today. It's so sunny and the campus is really pretty. So I usually like to go to the campus bookstore because there's a Starbucks inside, and this is what I got today. They got my name wrong, but probably because I muttered it, so my bad. Usually my lunch break is from 30 minutes to an hour, but today, since we have something stirring for an indefinite amount of time, I get an hour-long lunch break, so I am taking this time to go on a nice little walk because it's just so nice out today. I'm back, and I usually take the stairs after I eat lunch, so see you on the 5th floor. We're here. I forgot my water bottle today, so I'm just filling my Starbucks cup up with water and going back to my desk, putting my stuff down again. And Emma's not back from her lunch break yet, so I'm just walking through the hallways and looking at the posters. So here's the glove box where you transfer things that reacts with the atmosphere. Then I help 2 lab members clear out the chemical fridge. Now I'm back in the office where I wrote down everything I did today in my scientific journal, and one of the team members brought cookies, so I had one. It was really good. And after I get off at 5, I go to the gym with my dad.